Welcome to iMobie support. If you encounter issues such as freezing, unresponsiveness, transfer failure, or unexpected errors while using our DroidKit, these may be caused by various factors, such as network conditions, system compatibility, or software glitches. To help our technical team accurately identify the root cause and provide you with a more effective solution, we kindly ask you to submit a log file. Please rest assured that log files only contain technical data and error details generated during the program's operation. They do not include any personal information or private content. In today's video, we'll guide you through the steps to submit the correct log files to our support team. Let's get started. Method 1. Submit log file via DroidKit. Please install and launch DroidKit on your computer, then click the Support icon to open the feedback interface. There, you can submit your questions along with the log files. Simply fill in your email address, device model, questions, and a brief description of the issue, then click Submit to complete the process. This method works the same way on both Windows and Mac, ensuring a smooth experience across platforms. Method 2. Submit log file via ticket. To submit a log file via the ticket system, please visit the official iMobie website and click the support icon to access the iMobie Support Center. Then, select Contact Support to open the ticket submission form. Please fill out all the required fields, including your name, email address, age group, product, computer system, device type, device system, question type, and a detailed message describing your issue. Next, click the Add Files Here button to attach your log file. To locate the log file on your computer. For Windows, C. Users your computer name app data roaming iMobie DroidKit error log. If you are using a Mac computer, please follow this path to find the log file. Open Finder, click Go, select Go to Folder, then enter. Library Application Support com.iMobie.DroidKit DroidKit Logs folder. Once everything is complete, click the Submit a Request button to send your ticket. Method 3. Send log file via email. You can also choose to send the log file directly to us via email. To do this, open your email client on your computer and compose a new message. Please fill in the following details. Recipient, cs@iMobie.com. Subject. Email body, include detailed information about the problem you're experiencing. Next, locate the log file on your computer at this path. For Windows, C. Users your computer name app data roaming iMobie DroidKit error log. If you are using a Mac computer, please follow this path to find the log file. Open Finder, click Go, select Go to Folder, then enter. Library Application Support com.iMobie.DroidKit DroidKit Logs folder. Attach the log file to the email. Once everything is filled out and the log file is attached, send the email to cs@iMobie.com. Our technical support team will carefully review your case and get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving us a thumbs up.